What is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is the study of aggregate economic variables of an economy. What are consumption goods? Consumption goods are those which are bought by consumers as final or ultimate goods to satisfy their wants. Durable goods, car, television, radio, etc. Non-durable goods में and services में just like fruit, oil, vegetable. Semi-durable goods just like crockery. What are capital goods? Capital goods are those final goods which are used and help in the process of production of other goods and services, just like plant, machinery. What are final goods? Final goods are those which are used either for a final consumption or investment. It includes final consumer goods or final production goods. They are not meant for resale. No value is added to these goods. Their value is included in the national income. What are intermediate goods? Intermediate goods are those goods which are used either for the resale or for further production. Example, milk used by a tea shop for selling tea. What is stock? Quantity of the economic variable which is measured as a particular point of time. So stock has no time dimension. Stock is a static concept. क्या ये बात सही है? हाँ, तो स्टॉक जो है इसका कोई टाइम डायमेंशन नहीं है. स्टॉक जो है एक स्टैटिक कॉन्सेप्ट है, जस्ट लाइक वेल्थ या वाटर इन अ टैंक. So quantity of an economic variable which is measured at a particular point of time. So stock has no time dimension. Stock is static concept. Example, wealth or water in a tank. What is flow? Flow is the quantity of an economic variable which is measured during the period of time. Flow has time dimension just like per hour, per day, etc. So flow is a dynamic concept. Just like investment या water in a stream. What is investment? Investment is the net addition made to the existing stock of capital. Net investment का मतलब होता है gross investment minus depreciation. Net investment का मतलब क्या होता है? Gross investment minus depreciation. Depreciation मतलब depreciation refers to the fall in the value of the fixed assets due to normal wear and tear, passage of time, and expected obsolescence. What is GDP? Gross domestic product at market price is the monetary value of all the final goods and services produced during an accounting year within the domestic territory of a country. What is GNP? Gross national product at market price. It is the money value of all goods and services produced by country during an accounting year, including net factor income from abroad. So इसमें GNP में क्या include कर लेते हैं? Net factor income from abroad. तो gross national income में क्या include करते हैं? Net factor income from abroad. What is net factor income from abroad? The difference between the factor incomes earned by our residents from abroad and factor income earned by non-residents within our country. So net factor income from abroad कहने का मतलब है कि जो भारतीय विदेश में जाकर के पैसा कमाते हैं और जो विदेशी भारत में पैसा कमाते हैं, उन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है उसको बोलते हैं नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड? क्या कंपोनेंट्स हैं? नेट कॉम्पनसेशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़, नेट इनकम फ्रॉम प्रॉपर्टी एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अदर दैन रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स ऑफ रेजिडेंट कंपनीज ऑफ अब्रॉड, net retained earnings of resident companies of abroad. So net compensation of employees, net income from property and entrepreneurship, and net retained earnings of resident company abroad. फिर फार्मूलाज हैं, कुछ फार्मूलाज हैं हमारे पास में. दैट इज़ NNP एट मार्केट कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू GDP एट मार्केट कॉस्ट माइनस डिप्रिसिएशन. तो यहाँ पे देखिए आपको नेशनल कुछ निकालना है तो GNP से G से माइनस करना, ग्रॉस से माइनस करना होता है. नेशनल अगर कुछ निकालना है तो ग्रॉस से माइनस करना होता है. तो यहाँ पे जैसे आपको बोला NNP एट मार्केट कॉस्ट बताओ, तो ये हो जाएगा GNP एट मार्केट प्राइस माइनस डिप्रिसिएशन. अगर आपको बोला NDP एट मार्केट प्राइस बताइए, तब क्या करोगे? GDP एट मार्केट प्राइस माइनस डिप्रिसिएशन. जब बोलेगा NDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट बताइए, तब आप क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे NDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे देखो NDP एट मार्केट प्राइस माइनस नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस. और नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस मतलब इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस माइनस सब्सिडीज़, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस माइनस सब्सिडीज़. ठीक है. सो GDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू NDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट प्लस डिप्रिसिएशन, मतलब इसी चीज़ को हम दो फार्मूला से लिख सकते हैं. NDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू GDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट माइनस डिप्रिसिएशन. एक तो फार्मूला ये हो गया, और दूसरा फार्मूला इंपॉर्टेंट ये हो गया कि NDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू NDP एट मार्केट प्राइस माइनस नेट डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, so that is indirect tax minus subsidies. Next, NNP at factor cost is equal to GDP at market price minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes. So NNP at factor cost is equal to GDP at factor cost, GDP at market price minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes. NNP at factor cost is the sum total or factor of income earned by the normal residents of a country during the accounting year. Or NNP, national NNP at factor cost is equal to NDP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. So NNP at factor cost is equal to NDP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad. What is the relation between national product and domestic product? National product और domestic product में क्या अंतर है? National relation क्या है? Domestic product concept is based on the production units located within the domestic or economic territory, operated both by the residents and non-residents. फिर national product concept based on the resident and based on resident and includes their contribution to production both within and outside the economic territory. National product is equal to domestic product plus residents' contribution to production outside the economic territory, that is factor income from abroad. Non-resident contribution to production inside the economic territory, that is factor income from abroad. फिर what are the methods of calculation of national income? एक होता है प्रोडक्ट मेथड, जिसको हम लोग वैल्यू एडेड मेथड भी बोलते हैं. मेथड क्या है इसका? सेल्स प्लस चेंज इन स्टॉक इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट. सेल्स प्लस चेंज इन स्टॉक इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ output. Sales plus change in stock will be equal to value of output, and change in stock is equal to क्या होता है? closing stock minus opening stock, और value of output minus intermediate consumption, ये होता है gross value added, that is GDP at market price. फिर NNP at factor cost, that is national income, is equal to GDP at market price minus consumption of fixed capital or depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect tax. When will the domestic income be greater than the national income? When the net factor income from abroad is negative. तो अगर मान लीजिए नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड निगेटिव है, उसका मतलब क्या है कि डोमेस्टिक इनकम जो है वो बड़ा है और नेशनल इनकम देन द नेशनल इनकम. डोमेस्टिक इनकम जो है वो बड़ा है एज कम्पेयर टू नेशनल इनकम. What is national income? National disposable income. It is the income which is available to the whole economy for spending or disposal NNP at market price plus net current transfers from abroad is equal to NDI, national disposable income. So national disposable income का मतलब क्या होता है? Disposable NNP at market price plus net current transfers from abroad. So it is the income which is available for the whole economy for spending. What must be added to domestic factor income to obtain national income? Domestic factor में क्या, domestic factor income में क्या ऐड करना चाहिए जिससे नेशनल इनकम हमें मिले? सो नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग ऑफ नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज़. क्या है? नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज़ रेफर टू acquiring of many final goods and services not through regular market transactions. Example, vegetable grown in the backyard of the house. So अगर हम नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज़ को डिफाइन करना चाहें, हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज़ रेफर टू acquiring of many final goods and services not through regular marketing transactions, and vegetable grown in the backyard of the house. What is the definition of nominal GNP? The GNP measured in terms of current market prices called nominal and GNP. So GNP measured in terms of current market price is called nominal GNP. What is the definition of real GNP? GNP computed at constant price, that is base year price, is called real GNP. So GNP measured in current market price, उसको हम बोलते हैं nominal GNP, और GNP computed at constant price, that is base year price, तो उसको बोला जाता है real GNP. What is the meaning of real flow? It refers to the flow of goods and services between different sectors of the economy. Flow of factor example, flow of factor services from household to firm, and flow of goods and services from firm to household. What is the definition of money flow? It refers to the flow of money between different sectors of the economy such as firm, household, etc. Flow of factor income from firm to household and consumption expenditure from household to firm. जैसे एग्जाम्पल क्या हो जाएगा, फ्लो ऑफ फैक्टर इनकम का फ्लो कहाँ से कहाँ तक, टू फर्म टू household and consumption expenditure from household to firm. So flow of factor income from firm to household and consumption expenditure from household to firm. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.